Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and tapping sounds and haptics so you control where sound is set. First, check the ring/silent switch on the side. If it's orange, notifications are muted. Next, move the main ringer and alert slider to a comfortable level while listening to a sample tone. Once done, enable change with buttons if you want the side volume buttons to adjust ringer volume. This keeps quick control consistent across calls and alerts. You now customize individual alerts so you hear what matters. Tap ringtone and text tone to pick distinct sounds. Choose a louder or more urgent tone for priorities so you recognize them immediately. Then set vibrate options for ring and silent modes to add tactile feedback. Make sure to configure Do Not Disturb or Focus schedules to silence notifications at set times. This prevents interruptions while keeping important calls through when allowed. Finish by confirming audio output and troubleshooting any routing issues. Use Control Center to switch between iPhone speaker and Bluetooth devices and play a sample sound to verify. If audio goes to the wrong device, turn Bluetooth off and on, or forget and repair the accessory to force a fresh connection. If problems persist, restart the iPhone. If that fails, reset all settings to restore sound defaults without erasing data. This often fixes persistent configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.